And tonight is something completely, or today, whenever you watch this, is completely different. I had a run-in. Well, no, not a run-in. I was trying to help make the house look prettier, and I don't do very well at that. And so but when we were having some people over, and then we decided we wanted some kind of like mood lighting, and we put together one of these mason jars, and we got a string of LEDs for it, and we dropped it in, and we turned them on. And God, I don't know if this is going to look good, but basically you get this little glow-in-the-dark thing with a mason jar, and it looked really cool. And then we realized this kind of really sort of sucks. I'm sorry, it's not nice having to reach over every time and drop this, and it changes all of that. And so the question was, what could we do about this? And I decided I was going to make like this base you'd put it on, or a big mushroom top or something. I don't know. And instead, what I ended up doing was I 3D printed this thing that inserts into the mason jar. Basically, you just run the wire. You know, I can't do this with, there we go. There's basically a slot here for the wire, and then you take that and you drop the box in the top, right? And so, did I do that right? Nope. No, there we go. All right. And then you just take your normal mason jar lid on the top, and you put it on, and then you can turn the lights on and off with the little switch that's on top. And it's something that I put together with a 3D printer, and no fingers were injured while making this, which is actually way above my normal project. So it's really cool. There's a couple different designs out there. Really, this is an IKEA battery pack. I think a lot of them are the same size. I needed to make it stick up a little bit. We thought about putting decorative on it. The original one came off a Thingiverse, looked like this. It actually didn't quite fit all my jars, so I did a mutated version, and then I realized the battery pack was too short, and it would fall and it'd get all hung up. And so the models are out there. Anyway, if you want some mood lighting in your house and you want to have an excuse to use your 3D printer, then this is cool. Have a great day.